to our apartment. What's up, guys? So today I'm here in my apartment, which I haven't really showed you guys because it's more of an office space that my boyfriend and I got. It's still technically an apartment and we still kind of sleep here sometimes, but we haven't had the time to like decorate it, give it that little personalized touch. So in order to spice this place up a little bit, give it some more pizzazz, some jazz, I took to one of my favorite apps called Bunz. And if you guys are new to this channel, you're gonna hear about Bunz real quick. But if you're not, you would have remembered the video that I did last month with them where I got some really fire clothing pieces for free. And if you're new, you're probably wondering, wait, how do you get things for free? What is the catch? It's a trading app, so there's actually no currency involved. They have made up their own currency, which you can earn through signing up. I'm gonna leave my link down below, and I would just so highly recommend it to you guys. You can find so many things from designer handbags to furniture. My friend Rachel just scored with some new furniture for her apartment. We got amazing home decor coming up for you guys in this video. You can literally get anything. But again, no currency involved, just trading for things that you want to get rid of and getting something in return that already exists out there in the world, so it's super sustainable. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this, especially here during Earth Week, because I'm so glad that I was able to get these things without having to go out and purchase newly manufactured things. Bunz is actually available in all Canadian major cities, which is amazing. There's so many users here in Toronto, which I absolutely love. But if Bunz actually isn't available in your city yet, you can still download the app, invite friends, and start posting on it so Bunz will know that you guys are interested. So I actually went out and did all this bunzing on my own. And I'm gonna be showing my boyfriend over here, Daniel, the goods and how I plan on executing this vision. Alright, so again, these are not really like furniture pieces because our space isn't that big. I'm gonna show you guys all the things first, and then I'm gonna show you before and after of the section that we're kind of like decorating, because as my mom said, it's looking a little cold. Well, first of all, Daniel's seen this item, which you guys might have seen already if you follow me on Instagram. It's actually an amazing custom-made YouTube LED light. I just traded this for some bits and I am absolutely in love with it. Goes with the whole theme of our little YouTube studio that we have going on here, and I just think it adds like such a cute little touch. Do you agree?
Love it, man!
This is gonna go tremendously well. We need to get things for our walls because they're just white besides these shelves, which you guys can't see. Why'd I do that? Weird. That our previous tenant left, and we put some cameras on them, but besides that we have like no art or anything like personal. So I saw this girl that was trading a bunch of vintage stuff, and she actually had these really cool trays. One is a Florida wood tray and the next one is a California tin tray, and we love Florida, love California.
And who doesn't love plates on their walls?
For real though, they're more like art to me, and we're kind of going for like a rustic vintage but also modern vibe in this place, I think. We're all over the place.
Sure.
So my most recent trade involved 3 things. Lots of things that I typically trade. If you guys are curious, you can stalk my Bunz account. Usually I put up makeup that I just have excess of, or old skincare products that have never been open. Those always are a sure trade. So I traded some of that stuff, and in return, we didn't have any flower pots. So I got this one with these fake little daisies, I believe. Next up, I tend to do my makeup in this big open room because we have tremendous natural lighting going on in here, and the bathroom can be a little bit dark depending on the time of day, but we don't have a mirror in here. And honestly, I'm not a compact mirror type of gal, so I saw this little mirror, which I thought was so cute. It's not gonna be out here permanently.
I'm not complaining.
But this is just really cute. I'll probably keep it like under the table or something, and it's the perfect size mirror to literally do your makeup in. And then lastly from this one trade, I was feeling like we needed a coffee table look. And I was honestly surprised that she wanted so little for this Beatles coffee table book. And pro tip, if you're in Toronto and you need coffee table books, there are some really good ones on Bunz, and coffee table books can be friggin' expensive. So the fact that I got this essentially for free, yeah, this is said to be 60 Canadian dollars.
Hey Siri, what is 60 Canadian dollars in USD?
Hello, you stupidity.
I just really liked the colors of it. I think we're going for like a red and blue, orange or blue theme in this place.
Sure.
A colorful theme, but you like?
Yeah, it's cool.
Lastly, these 2 items were a little bit bigger than I expected, and all I traded was literally like some face cream, I think. But the first item is this basket, which I thought was gonna be like a little basket to put blankets in, but it's kind of more like a laundry basket. So I'm still undecided as to what we should do with this.
With this new basket, you can put in your cat, you could put your dog in there, you could put all of your animals in there anytime, anywhere. Get yourself one on Bunz today. Only one little face cream is all you need.
Okay, so this is technically a piece of furniture. I really like acrylic tables. I just think they're kind of cool and Art Deco-ish. And they can be really expensive as well. So I was really pleasantly surprised to get those things. All together, this wasn't even that hard, just a couple of meetups and we got the goods. So I'm quickly gonna do a little montage now, setting these things up throughout our room. And overall, how did I do?
Very good, very cool.
Toma.
We did it! Quickest decorating montage ever. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's looking a little bit more lively in here. Literally, we've got some extra humans in the back. Definitely looking a little bit better. So I want to get some more things on Bunz. Don't forget to use my link down below and let me know what you think. See you in the next one.